Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Your Tech Today. Today I'll be going through the UI of the Lenovo Vibe K4 Note. So I have already covered a lot of the UI features in the Vibe X3 also, and this phone is also quite similar to that. So let's take a look. So it runs on Android 5.1.1 with the Vibe UI on top, and it comes in two modes. So if you long press on the screen, you can go to preferences and use the launcher as Vibe UI and Android. Vibe UI is nothing but it does not have a app drawer, and Android has an app drawer, and most of the things are similar. So rest of the things are pretty common, and I have shown in the Vibe X3 review also, UI review. So you can change your wallpapers over here. You can download wallpapers online through Lenovo itself, and it's in various categories. And I will basically be concentrating on the difference between this and Vibe X3 in the UI. So everything is almost same, not much of bloatware, but it does come with some apps pre-installed like the Game Store, which the McAfee antivirus, which comes inbuilt again pre-installed into the phone, in my Vibe X3 told as a dangerous app, and I had to uninstall it. But this is one of the apps that comes installed in Vibe X3 as well as K4 Note. So I would suggest you uninstall it. Then Lenovo Companion, it is pretty helpful in diagnosing and getting helpful videos and updates from Lenovo directly. Then what else do we have? We have Route 66 navigation. It is a navigation software, 30 days of free trial, and then you have to purchase it. It's a very good software, but I don't think you need it because you have Google Maps, and you can download maps in Google also now. McAfee security comes. This music app comes pre-installed, Guevara or whatever, and Tap the Frog game also comes pre-installed, and a few other UC browser and all that comes pre-installed. Shazam also comes pre-installed in both the phones, and rest of the things are all. Evernote also is pre-installed. So not much of bloatware, I would say, but if you want, you can always uninstall these apps. Seeing the notification panel, we have all these things. We have Secure Zone. As I showed what Secure Zone is, please watch the Vibe X3 UI video, and I have explained in that what Secure Zone is. Basically, it gives you a separate partition on your phone where you can install separate apps, and it is totally different from this zone. That is the this experience, or this sort of partition which you use for your normal usage, and that you can keep for your office work or another totally different UI, which will have its own data, own apps, and they will not be interrelated. And then we have the flashlight. It has screencasting and the Dolby toggle switch on and off, and auto rotate, and these are editable. You can change it to whatever you want, whichever you like. You can easily swap them out. Phone does have NFC also. So that covers the notification panel, and then let's go to the settings. So pretty basic. Airplane mode, wireless LAN, wireless AC is supported. Mobile networks, you have two SIM cards. If one SIM is on 4G, if you're using the data on 4G in one SIM, or 3G also, the other SIM automatically goes to 2G. That is only for calling, and you can configure different ringtones for both the SIMs for messaging and calling. You can put a data limit, and it will track your data. NFC is there, and tethering and mobile hotspot is there, and you can change the SMS app. Now we'll go to the sounds. As I told you, you can configure different things. Pocket mode is there. It increases the volume of ringtone when in pocket, and Dolby Atmos is also there. I have explained Dolby Atmos in the Vibe X3 video in detail. Please watch that. It is very similar. So the UI of the Dolby Atmos app is little different in the Vibe X3 and in this, but it only looks different. The function is the same: music, movie, game modes, and custom. And here you can change the equalizer settings for your audio as per your liking. and you can switch on various modes. There is a notification LED over here which has 3 colors, I believe, and you can configure it to your liking. The color balance, again, default mode, comfort mode makes it a little yellowish and it's easier on the eyes, and you can change the color temperature to your liking in the custom mode. Smart brightness is when there is high amount of light detected by the phone's light sensor, it will brighten up the image for you to view everything easily. So Daydream is like a screensaver. When the phone is charging, it will display something on the screen. All these are pretty self-explanatory. High sensitivity touch, again we will check it just like the Vibe X3. I'll fold my cleaning cloth into 2 and high sensitivity is on. The screen is working. If we switch off, screen is still working. In this phone, let's try 3 layers. Okay, we have 3 layers of cloth over here. It's not working, the screen. Switch on high sensitivity and the screen starts working. So it will work through your gloves. Very nice feature. I just love this. LED notification you can change, and brightness protection is in the night time. It won't make the screen very bright. So next is lock screen. So you can configure your lock screen, how it is displayed and what is displayed on it through this, and there are different themes also for it. Notification center, you can change the notification bars and icons, battery percentage, wireless LAN connection status. As you can see, it's at 0 bytes right now. It even shows the mobile data, and all these things are there. I really don't want to go into detail because they are pretty basic things. Features, again, all of them are similar to the Vibe X3, and let's see, quick snap, double press the volume key, it immediately takes a photo when the phone is locked. Let's check. It has taken, right? Again, this is also covered in, let's see. So you can check only that picture when the phone is locked. Knock to light is tap to wake up. It is supported. Micro screen, draw a C on the side and it will make it smaller. Nice. White touch is again a small icon on the side of the screen which has your quick access. Okay. Flip to sleep is when you flip the phone over, it locks. Everything works nicely, that's the thing, And fingerprint gestures, you can take photo, and what happens when you hold the fingerprint. This is something different from the Vibe X3 a little bit. So you can, configure. If you long press the fingerprint, what happens, tap the fingerprint, what happens, you can go back and use the fingerprint to take a photo. And the VR mode, when the VR mode is off, then only micro screen will work. If you switch off micro screen, then only VR mode will work. That I have covered in the Ant VR headset review. Next is date and time, language input. You can put more keyboards and all that, and it supports a lot of local languages also. Call settings, it has inbuilt call recorder and it works flawlessly. Both your voice and the person on the other side is crystal clear. So SIM card, you can configure which one to use what. As you can see, one is on 2G and another one is on 3G, because in my house 4G is not very strong in the signal. And location services, accounts, permission control for each app, secure zone, I have explained in detail in the Vibe X3, so I won't be going into it in depth. Security, pretty basic things, encrypt the phone and all that. Fingerprint, again in the Vibe X3 I have shown you how to configure. Both are exactly the same. 2 fingerprints are only supported. Power manager, is also similar to Vibe X3, and you have a power saving mode, battery saver mode, which will limit the battery usage. Just reduce the brightness of it, so it'll reduce the processor speed and all that to save you some battery. And ultimate power saver will make the phone like this, and there'll be only calling and messaging function, and you can see your contacts, and you can add only these things. In this, the radio is also there, so radio function is available, whereas in Vibe X3 there is no FM radio, so it will not work. It'll switch off your data also, so you cannot use WhatsApp or anything, and you will not get any notifications, but it will increase your battery life by many folds. Power consumption details are shown here. Phone does not support fast charging. Next is storage. You can make the SD card as your storage, but I have noticed there are issues with that things are not getting apps are not getting installed into the external SD card in the K4 Note. I hope Lenovo is listening and they fix this with the next software update, as they have fixed the Asphalt 8 issue also. Now the game is running much better now on this phone, so apps are not getting installed in the SD card. Though I have seen some of the apps do get installed, but most of the things like games and all are not getting installed into the external SD card. In the Vibe X3 that is not the issue. Vibe X3 flawlessly installs all the games in the external SD card. And whenever you select you change your default storage, the phone restarts. That's something I wanted to mention. Here are your apps, backup and reset. All these are self-explanatory. This is where in the About phone you can check for system updates and the status of your phone and all that. So let's check for USB Otg support. Again, my pen drive is connected. So as you can see, it has got detected. Let's check in ES File Explorer whether the Otg pen drive. So USB Otg, it does work. It's okay. Yes, it does work. So it's just a 512 MB pen drive. I didn't have any other pen drive available with me. I have this USB Otg pen drive, and it doesn't seem to be working in the Vive X3. So let's see in this phone. Does it work, or has something gone wrong with this pen drive? Yes, something is wrong with this pen drive, so it is not working, but USB Otg is supported. So guys, this completes the UI and various features of this phone I have covered in this. And for more details, if something I have missed, then you can watch the Vive X3 UI video, and hopefully the doubt will be cleared. And anyways, you can leave a comment in the comment section and ask me your questions over there, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. So that's all guys, and please share, subscribe and like this video. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel and support me. If you're buying this phone, please use the link in the description. If you're buying any other product also, just go to Amazon through my link and buy your product. It will really help out my channel, and this channel is your channel only, and I bring these videos and I work hard only for you guys, so that you can know everything about the product that you're going to buy before spending your hard-earned money. And the small way you can help me is by using my links in the description. So Flipkart link is also there in some of the videos. You can, if you're buying something on Flipkart, please use that link. The Flipkart link will be available in the View TV videos, and I will try to put it under this video also. So thanks for watching this video guys, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.